in Osama City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
In behalf of the local government unit of Osami City, good morning to everyone. Good morning. I would like to thank you for your attendance today for this year's City Development Council meeting. There being 59 present out of a total of 77 members, the chair therefore declares a quorum. Once again, good morning to each and every one of us here. We would like to thank particularly the members of the CSOs here present, including the representatives and also the punong barangays who had to come all the way from the respective jurisdiction to attend today's CDC meeting. Let's applaud all of us. So thank you. We have several matters to discuss for today. So I will just be turning this over immediately so that we can commence, and who will be handling this. The first item, the first issue that we have is I will be giving the floor to the city administrator for its discussion.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. To all of the CDC members, good morning. So, as certified by our City Treasurer, Ma'am Julife Napikit, our City Accountant, Ma'am Isi Savaflair Hope E. Dimal, our OIC CPDC, Engineer Joan Beltran, and our City Budget Officer, Ma'am Evelyn T. Umilda, there is an unexpended balance or savings of appropriation in the amount of 8,678,690 pesos and 20 centavos of the 20% Development Fund calendar year 2025 for reprogramming and utilization for the calendar year 2026. With this, Honorable Chair, I would like to move for the approval of the utilization for this unexpended balance.
There is a motion for the reprogramming of the unexpended balance of 2025 duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the same is required. Proceed to the second matter. This concerns the reprogramming projects from your own reprogramming of barangay projects in the 20% development fund that we have for calendar year 2026. I understand there have been several requests on the part of the punong barangays with respect to the itemized projects for the PPAs, and then they prioritize several programs. So who will be handling? We will be giving the floor to the City Planning and Development Office.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Mr. Chair. There are two barangays requested for the reprogramming. So I will state the process flow for reprogramming, Mr. Chair. So, the identification of the project for reprogramming. So, responsible office is the barangay concerned. And then next is the preparation and approval of barangay resolution by the Barangay Development Council. So sa barangay na siya mag-approve mo, mag-prepare o approval sa inyong barangay resolution. And then next is the submission and endorsement of the approved barangay resolution to the City Development Council. So, di ba, ang mga barangay, katong kuan is kuan sila sa inyong BDC. And then, naanamoy approved barangay resolution, i-endorse ninyo for kanang take up dili sa City Development Council. And then next is the City Development Council review and endorsement. So muna ni diri atong gipangbuhat. So naay duha ka buok barangay resolution nag-submit and then gi-endorse diri for CDC para sa review and endorsement. And then next is the after ma-approve na siya diri sa CDC, Mr. Chair, is the submission of to the Sangguniang Panlungsod. Endorsement sa CDC Secretariat. After submission sa Sangguniang Panlungsod is the review and approval by the Sangguniang Panlungsod para nanang may bagong kanang SP resolution. And then next sa SP resolution sa Sangguniang Panlungsod, the integration into the supplemental budget for the 2026. So ang responsible office ani for the supplemental budget is the city budget and then including ang panlungsod. And then muna ng time nga maka-implement and maka-monitor na mo sa inyong upon submission na po sa inyong bagong barangay resolution nga gi-adapt na ninyo ang reprogramming, Mr. Chair. That's the process of reprogramming for the 20% CLGU project. For now, is daay duha ka buok barangay nag-submit for barangay resolution, including the barangay Dimaluna and barangay Pulot, Mr. Chair.
So this concerns barangay Dimaluna and barangay Pulot.
Yes,
With
Mr.
respect
Chair.
to barangay Dimaluna, what is this one? What is the thrust of the reprogramming that they are requesting?
May I request the barangay captain for Dimaluna for
The title at
a
least.
title, yes, Mr. Chair.
Before I hear him out.
A resolution authorizing the reprogramming of the 20% Development Fund project from concreting of Purok Road in Purok Ono, Barangay Dimaluna, amounting to 7 million pesos to the construction of 2-story multipurpose hall or barangay hall for the Barangay Dimaluna, Mr. Chair.
So may we request now the punong barangay of Barangay Dimaluna to at least elaborate with respect to the necessity of the reprogramming that they are requesting.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding. Good morning, Mayor. Good morning, Vice. Sa mga membro sa City Council nato, sa ato ang mga department heads, sa akong kauban nga mga punong barangay, o sa uban nga naakaron diri member sa atong CDC members. Again, good morning. So i-present na ko ning resolution regarding aning 7 million nga reprogramming.
I would not I hate to interrupt you Kap, no, pero diretso na lang nganong kinahanglan man ka magpa-program. Kuana na lang. Total, you have complied. Apparently, you have complied with the requirements as laid down by the city planning. Dalan man dahil imo mangibalhin og barangay hall. Nga naman?
So, a resolution authorizing the programming of the 20% development fund project by calendar year 2026 from concreting of Purok Road in Purok Ono, Barangay Dimaluna, amounting to 7 million to the construction of 2-story multipurpose hall or barangay hall. Whereas the local government unit of Masami City,
kuana lang lagi ta, diretso na lang ta. Ngano man dili nimo kinahanglan ang karsada, nganong i-prioritize man nimo ang kuan, diretso na lang ta. Kay unsa man to gabok ng imong kuan, o diretso na ta.
After careful assessment
Okay.
and evaluation of the Sangguniang Barangay of Barangay Di Maluna, it was determined that the construction of two-story multipurpose hall has become more urgent priority to effectively deliver public services, accommodate barangay offices, provide a venue for community activities, disaster response operations, meetings, trainings, and other government functions.
So there is an urgent necessity for that because medyo kuan na tong imuhang barangay hall.
Oh, 1960s pag yun na yun nga.
1960s.
Oh,
So it's been a
60s.
period of almost 60 years
Oo.
from today, no? So do I hear a motion or could you convert your appeal to a motion?
I approve this resolution June 8 at Barangay Di Maluna.
Yes.
Oo.
Can you convert it to a motion? Motion for approval of your request.
Yes. Yes, presiding. A motion to approve.
There is a pending motion for approval of the reprogramming of Barangay Di Malunas Road construction project to be reprogrammed into the construction of their barangay hall. So, do I hear any second? Having been duly seconded, any objection? Hearing none, the same is hereby approved.
Excuse me, Mr. Chair. The barangay also requested for the demolition permit. Di ba, Kap?
That will come. That
Oh,
will
sige,
be,
okay. Thank
as
you,
part
Mr.
of the
Part-
construction process, it's their duty also to request for the same. Okay? So the same is hereby approved. Okay.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you,
Presiding.
thank you. So we have another matter with respect to reprogramming, and that
Yes.
is with barangay.
Barangay Pulot, Mr. Chair.
Oh, let's hear from barangay Kapitan Rocky.
Good morning to each and everyone, especially to our beloved City Mayor, Mayor Attorney Sam Norman Go Fuentes, to our Vice Mayor Simplicia Bibineri, to all department heads, to all members of the City Council, and to all punong barangay, and to all of us here, good morning. Regarding in our barangay mayor, we move a resolution to reprogramming the 20% development fund project 2026 aid to barangay from completion of barangay court phase 2 at Purok 1 barangay Pulot Osami City worth of 500,000 pesos to improvement of basketball court phase 2. So we move a resolution, mayor, to reprogramming the aid to barangay from completion to improvement of basketball court, mayor, because 500,000 is not enough for the completion in our basketball court. So that's why we move a resolution to reprogram the resolution, the improvement, the completion of barangay court to improvement of basketball court phase 2.
What is the status? What phase is the construction status of the present barangay barangay basketball court?
The present status in our barangay Purok 1 basketball court is, I think, napasa
Phase
mga
one.
phase 1 pa, Mayor.
Phase 1. So
Yes.
basically this is for phase 2
Yes, Mayor.
rather than completion.
Completion.
Unsa pa man day padungag nimo?
Kuan yun, Mayor.
Naa
Extension
naman kay
of-
structure, naa na
Yes, Mayor.
kuan.
Nana siya
dayon.
structure.
You
Napasa
are
mga
you are
phase 1. So,
anticipating bleachers and then kuan.
wala, ato pa, Mayor. Wala pa yung mga blitzer, Mayor.
Awa pa yung
So,
bleacher.
the 500,000 extension pa na sa roofing sa Cabot Court.
So necessary works
Yes.
gid ini. Okay, sige. Do I hear a motion with
Okay.
respect to your
I
your
move,
request?
I move a motion to reprogramming the 20% development project calendar year 2026 aid to barangay from completion of basketball court phase 2 at Purok 1 barangay Pulot Osami City worth of 500,000 pesos to improvement of basketball court phase 2 at Purok 1.
There is a motion, pending motion from Barangay Pulot for the reprogramming of the completion aspect rather than completion to improvement of their barangay court. Do I hear any second? The motion having been duly seconded, severally seconded, is hereby approved. Okay. So we move now to the third matter on the agenda, the amendment of the PPMP for 2026 under the 20% development fund, which will be handled by.
Barangay Manaka, Mr. Chair.
There is still a pending matter.
For the revised PPMP, yes, Mr. Chair. For the
This
third
concerns Barangay Manaka.
concern, Barangay Manaka.
Could you elaborate before we proceed with Kap Koan?
Okay, good morning once again. So, during the review of the documents, it was noted that the project indicated in the PPMP of the Barangay Manaka is not consistent with the approved annual investment program or AIP. And then the original project stated in the PPMP was construction of volleyball court at Barangay Manaka, while the AIP requested a change of project to installation of solar lights at Barangay Manaka. At such, so the revise of the PPMP was prepared na mo to align with the approved annual investment program, Mr. Chair. Bali, wala na siya na consistent sa atong PPMP sa AIP because the change sa project sa Barangay Manaka.
To Manaka, in this respect, or it is something to do with the mistake in.
During the planning process, Barangay Manaka first submit the project of construction volleyball court. So nagbuhat na kong PPMP and then at the same time the annual. But sudden change of kuan sa Manaka kay dili daw kaigo ang 500 sa construction of volleyball court. So installation pero ang sa PPMP is wala na ko na change and then the annual is na change niya, Mr. Chair, na approve ang installation of solar lights. So to align the project of Barangay Manaka, the PPMP and the annual investment program. So, may I request for the revise or the amendment of the PPMP for that specific project alone, the Barangay Manaka. Kay mas dako mag-usbon sa annual compare sa PPMP.
So so this is just a matter of having to conforming it to the annual investment
Annual
plan.
investment plan, Mr.
Okay,
Chair.
so whatever it is, could you convert this matter to a motion?
So,
I need not have to
the
hear
barangay
from the
Manaka.
barangay.
Yes, Mr.
Okay.
Chair. Barangay Manaka.
I need not hear. So could you convert the matter to the issue at hand to a motion?
I move for the approval of the resolution amendment of the revised PPMP from construction of volleyball cover court to installation of solar lights at Barangay Manaka to align with the annual investment plan.
Oh, so there is a
Mr.
move. There is a motion for the there is a motion to conform to the AIP the volleyball court description to align it with the street lights in Barangay Manaka. Any objection or do I hear any second? Duly seconded. The same is hereby approved. The fourth matter we have at hand is the creation of the local zoning review committee. For the information of the body, yesterday was the first instance of our local board of adjustments and appeals. Local zoning board for adjustments and appeal, and it needs the local zoning review committee as the direction over supervising authority over the local zoning board of adjustments and appeals. So if there are moves for reclassification, it will be coursed through the local zoning board for adjustments and appeal and eventually with the local zoning review committee. So may I give the floor now to the City Planning and City Planning Office under Engineer Joan. You have the floor,